The investment volume of Tesla for the Giga Berlin factory is almost 6 billion euros. Tesla is constantly working on better processes to minimize the impact on the environment. Latest example and update, the infiltration of rainwater is now at Giga Berlin decentralized. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from talknews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, give us thumbs up and like this video if it's informative, and let's get started. Tesla brings the big money to Grünheide for Giga Berlin. The investment volume for the construction of the Gigafactory in the Brandenburg municipality has risen to 5.8 billion euros, reports the German magazine ZDF in its Frontal 21. Increasingly, however, the auto factory, the Giga Berlin, is also calling out critics. The investments for Tesla's first European plant in Grünheide near Berlin amount to around 6 billion euros. The investment volume has risen to 5.8 billion euros, reports the ZDF. The order of magnitude is right, said a spokeswoman for the Brandenburg Ministry of Economics on request from ZDF's Frontal 21. Tesla itself does not provide any information on the amount it invested in Giga Berlin, or I don't think Tesla has provided any information, precise information. And that's very hard to do because it's a lot of money involved. The factory, Giga Berlin, is expected to start production in July and be able to produce about 500,000 electric vehicles per year. Tesla CEO Elon Musk also wants to build the world's largest battery factory on the site. In industry cycles, there is talk of investment in the mid single digit billion range without battery production. Tesla CEO Elon Musk denies possible water problems in a statement because water problems have been, the question has been raised by environmental critics. So the debate about the plant's water consumption, the factory's water consumption, which has begun going on for months, continues in the ZDF magazine. Here's the quote from there: "The drinking water supply is sacrificed on the table of gifts of economic policy," said the head of the Strausberg-Erkner Water Association, André Bähler, to Frontal 21 from the ZDF magazine. He feared that Tesla production would lead to restrictions on drinking water. Musk denied possible water problems in a statement to Frontal 21. Basically, we are not in a very dry region. You probably have heard Musk saying that in public. Trees would not grow if there was no water, said Musk, according to the broadcaster. Tesla estimates a maximum water consumption of 1.4 million cubic meters per year for the plant at full capacity of 500,000 vehicles. I wonder if there is any information how much water Tesla consumes at Fremont factory or in China. The water was reduced, this volume was reduced by 30%. This is the estimated maximum requirement under the most unfavorable conditions in regular operations. Consumption should be significantly lower. For the entire area that Tesla could expand over time, the company set a theoretical maximum of 3.6 million cubic meters of water per year. However, it is unclear whether it will ever be achieved, that amount. Now, with all this in mind, several civic associations are concerned about the Tesla factory. Why? On Tuesday, another water debate about the factory, Giga Berlin, moved into the focus of public discussion. In an open letter to the State Office for the Environment, which is available to the German press agency and reported on the Märkische Oder Zeitung and Berliner Zeitung, three citizens' associations demanded the interpretation of current application documents. It is about how the rainwater from the roofs and paved areas of the factory should seep into the ground. The citizens' associations emphasized that numerous residents use house wells for drinking water supply and would be affected if the groundwater flow decreases or if pollutants get there. If you have seen Grünheide, it's a very, very beautiful green area. So this is where the concern comes from. You can look up that in Wikipedia. It's really nice, beautiful area, friends. So after Tesla had initially planned a large collecting basin for rainwater, according to information from industry cycles, the company switched from a central to decentralized concept for rainwater infiltration, which environmental associations would have called for. As a result, the overall environmental impact has been improved once again, it said. The Ministry of the Environment said that changing the application for a permit for the infiltration of rainwater was not a formal procedure with public participation. Tesla's efforts in Giga Berlin and Grünheide, as well as in China and in the United States, are going to help to drop the prices of electric cars significantly. In fact, Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas believes electric vehicles in the market could drop as low as $5,000 in the future. If you would like to know more about this, look at my morning report on that, how Tesla's $25,000 car can lead to that. Tesla seems well on its way to releasing more affordable electric cars with its 25,000 upcoming model, compact, affordable, reports Maria Merano from Tesla Radi. Now, Jonas, Morgan Stanley's analyst, explained that high volume production of electric vehicles would eventually lead to price cuts. Here's what he said, friends. We would not be at all surprised to see the prices of many electric vehicles eventually fall to below $5,000 per unit, Jonas wrote in a note after talking with carmakers, suppliers, and experts in the electric vehicle sector. Now, keep in mind that in China, Wuling Mini is also selling for, I believe, $4,500 and sold more electric vehicles than Tesla Model 3, although Tesla models are doing well in China. Now, since the sales and release of the Model 3, Tesla has introduced several price cuts in its vehicles made with the United States and in China. The Model 3 Performance is a good example of this. For example, as the car debuted with $78,000 price tag before autopilot, today a Model 3 Performance with basic autopilot costs $55,990. Tesla doesn't seem to want to stop at price cuts for its current lineup either. The company has also shared its plans to release a $25,000 car in the future. There is already talk of Tesla's 25,000 electric vehicles being developed in China. But also Elon Musk, when he visited Berlin last time, he said because of parking places, Giga Berlin will one day make smaller cars in Europe. And so this is all tied together. Elon Musk talked about the company's price goals during the Q3 earnings call last year, revealing Tesla's objective to make its cars as affordable as possible. Here's what he said, friends. I do not think we lack for desire for our product, but we do lack for affordability, said Musk. And so we have to improve the affordability of our products so they are not out of reach of people. We want to bring them more in reach over time, but also improve our cost of production. So once Tesla improves the cost of production, how much they will bring it closer to the reach of average people, we don't know. But do you think one day we may see $5,000 Tesla? I don't know. According to Street Insider, Jonas highlighted the impact manufacturing efficiencies would have in high volume electric vehicle production in his note, which Tesla seems highly aware of based on past comments by Elon Musk and the company's CFO, Zachary Kirkhorn. In order for us to see much cheaper electric cars, we need to see more advancements in electric vehicle batteries and battery production. This is why Tesla is making so much investment in Giga Berlin for the car company and also for the Giga Berlin's battery factory. Tesla plans for a battery factory near Berlin. Tesla's plans are becoming more specific and production is expected to begin as early as 2022. Tesla, along with other manufacturers, has won the right to receive European Union subsidies for battery factories totaling 2.9 billion euros. While the company has already begun construction of a building that is expected to house its manufacturing facility, Tesla has yet to apply for approval. However, the manufacturer's plans are becoming now more specific. The well-informed industry source said that Tesla wants to apply for a permit to manufacture lithium-ion cells in a few weeks. That means Tesla will apply for the permit of battery factory in Grünheide at Giga Berlin in few weeks. According to information received by German publication Handelsblatt, this will happen no later than July. You will see the reference in the description of this video. Production is slated to start in 2022, not in 2023, as previously reported. Tesla needs as many batteries as possible. As demand grows, prices come down. At the moment, preparation for the production of batteries at Giga Berlin are in full swing. Almost 1/5 of the hiring requests for Giga Berlin are for battery specialists, if you look online. This plant is expected to create up to 1,000 new jobs and will be built on the site next to the production building for cars. With the new technology, Tesla's 4680 tablet cells, Tesla wants to achieve a decisive competitive advantage to bring costs per kilowatt hour down to $50, which will make electric cars more cheaper and more beneficial to make than gas cars. This is why Tesla is investing like almost 6 billion euros in Giga Berlin and will continue more advancement around the world. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel. If this report was useful, please give it thumbs up, like this video. You will help to put it in front of more people on YouTube, and join our community. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. God bless you, everyone. See you soon in our next report today.